Hi, my name's Chris Mordus. I work for Meade. We're out here at Roundtable Live today. We're going to be staging a crossbar. After we stage the crossbar, company PipeView here is going to run a camera to determine where the damage is located in the staged facility contact. Most utilities are located in advance of Meade coming onto a job site. We contact 811. The owner of the facilities or a contractor comes out, locates all the utilities, and then we'll bore to install gas main and gas services. One of the obstacles that we run into is that sewer laterals on private property are not marked, and we actually have to locate those ourselves. So we own camera trucks with camera equipment, little remote control devices that run down sewer mains, and then there's a camera that runs up the sewer lateral to the property. And with that, we're able to tell if there's any pre-existing damage, as well as to determine the depth of the sewer lateral before we go and install the gas main. So this is how we prevent crossbores from occurring. A crossbar would be the installation of a gas main or a gas service through a sewer lateral or sewer main, drilled right through the middle of it. And after this occurs, the water and sewage can continue to flow for some time, if it's able to flow underneath the gas main or gas service that was put through the sewer. And yet, eventually, either things get clogged up, tree roots grow in through the damaged side of the sewer lateral. It could happen in a short period of time, it could happen years later. A homeowner contacts someone to come and route out their sewer so that their sewer will flow. And when that happens, the gas service or gas main that's been put through the sewer gets damaged. And it's unknown at the time, and then gas starts to leak into the home. Throughout the country, there have been multiple cases just in the last few years where home fills up with gas and then an ignition occurs and the house blows up, and sometimes people are home, sometimes they're not, but obviously the impact can be catastrophic. So one of the things that's become standard in the industry is for the gas services that are being installed today, they get a piece of wire ran next to them that allows us to hook up a device, send an electronic signal, and determine where the gas service is located. It may be an option going forward in the future to do something similar with sewer laterals as they're installed to prevent potential crossbores, prevent damage, and potential hazards to homeowners. So with recent events that have occurred, the utility owners have began to check sewer laterals on a regular basis. As a matter of fact, Meade is currently employed by multiple clients to go back and check for crossbores where work was done several years prior by other contractors. And in doing so, Meade has located, unfortunately, quite a few crossbores and potentially prevented many incidents from occurring. So while it's both unfortunate that there's so many out there that we've been employed to find them, it's also a positive that we're finding them and preventing incidents from occurring.